we are going through JavaScript algorithms and data structures. In the basic JavaScript, we are on challenge 12 of 113, and we are going to subtract one number from another with JavaScript. So, just like the plus, the addition we just did in the last video, we are going to subtract now. It's the exact same process, we just use the subtraction operator, which is a minus sign, or a dash, which is a minus sign. If you've done any type of math in your life, this is pretty straightforward. We are just doing it digitally. So we are assigning difference, the keyword difference, which is our variable, in a constant, and we are saying it is equal to 45 minus 0. So whatever that is, in this case 45, we can refer to it, that number, with difference. So change the 0 so the difference is 12. Okay, so I believe it should be 33 if my math is correct. And we can see if my math is correct by testing it. We could also just say console log, what is it, 45 minus 33. And we get 12. So my math is correct. And we already have this equation assigned to the word difference, the keyword difference, the variable difference. So we can just paste that in there. And as you can see, it's the same exact output because difference references that equation. Let's run the tests, and that's it. That's all we had to do.